As in Yard 1, this yard included rooms for the factory staff, offices, storerooms, and accommodation. A job at a female convict institution was one of only a few government positions available to women at the time. Staff were free settlers, military pensioners and widows, single women, and former convicts. Some appointments were made in London, while other positions were advertised locally. People worked here as overseers, warders, gatekeepers, medical attendants. There was even a needlework instructor employed at Cascades at one point. With the opening of Yard 3 and the use of probation stations and hiring depots, conditions at Cascades Female Factory became less crowded. Mary and John Hutchinson were still in charge as superintendent and matron, and they enforced silence, order, and discipline throughout the establishment. It is interesting to note one official admitted Mary was virtually the superintendent due to John's ongoing poor health. However, the Hutchinsons' reign was soon to come to an end. With the opening of Yard 4 came a new matron and superintendent and a different regime for the staff and convicts of Cascades Female Factory.